Good morning, my beautiful viewers. This is James Carpenter with Country Living. Today I'm going to show you how I took a $150 piece of equipment, put a little time and know-how into it, and turned it into something that can completely transform your yard. What we're working with is a Ryan Lawnaire aerator. A commercial grade machine built for durability and performance. Now, I picked this one up used for $150, and like most deals that sound too good to be true, it needed some work. Here's what I did. Replaced the hydraulic pump, installed new tires and wheels, ran a power cord, and wired a connector into my Kubota. Fused the system and used 12 gauge wire for reliability. I also installed a spring loaded switch to raise and lower the wheels. And this is important. When you let go, it returns to center. So you're not accidentally leaving power running and burning up your motor. That's the kind of small detail that saves you big money down the road. Now let's talk about why this matters. Core aeration is the process of pulling small soil cores from your lawn, and it might not look pretty at first, but it's one of the best things you can do for your grass. Over time, your soil becomes compacted, especially if you drive on it, walk on it a lot, or even just from rain settling things down. When that happens, water can't soak in properly. Fertilizer doesn't reach the roots. Oxygen can't get where it needs to go. And your grass, it struggles. Aeration opens that soil back up and gives your lawn room to breathe again. Once you aerate, roots grow deeper, water penetrates better, nutrients actually get absorbed. That's when you start seeing thicker grass, greener color, stronger turf that can handle heat and drought. It's not just maintenance, it's a reset button for your yard. It really depends on your soil and how you use your yard, but here's a good rule of thumb. Once a year for most homeowners, twice a year if you've got heavy clay soil or a lot of traffic. Fall is usually the best time, but spring works too if your lawn needs it. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever aerated your yard before, or is this your first time seeing it done? Do you notice areas in your lawn where water sits on top? Would you invest $150 into a machine like this, or would you rather rent one? And here's a big one. Do you think lawn care is worth the effort, or do you just let it grow? Drop your answers down in the comments. I read every one of them. Alright, enough talking. Let's get this machine hooked up to the Kubota and see what it can really do. Alright folks, that's going to wrap it up for today. We took a $150 machine, put in a little work, and turned it into something that can make a real difference in the yard. That's what this channel is all about. Finding value, fixing things, and making life better without spending a fortune. If you got something out of this video, hit that like button, share it with someone who takes pride in their property, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because around here we're always building something, fixing something, or learning something new. This is James Carpenter, and I'll see you on the next one.